Hey everyone, and thank you for joining again. In this video I will show you how you can make this beautiful single crochet pattern here. This is the back side, this is the front side. And as usual, we start with our slip knot and then we chain in an even number. When we reach the number that we need, which has to be an even number, we start in the second chain from the hook and go back all the way with single crochet. At the end of the row, we chain one, turn around, and row number 2 will also be single crochet only. At the end of the row, again chain one, turn around, and now it will be our first pattern row. The first stitch is again a single crochet. And then you poke in the next stitch, draw a loop, poke in right below this stitch, draw another loop, and poke in the next stitch, draw another loop. You have 4 loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull through all of them. Then chain one, and we do the next pattern stitch, which means poke in the next stitch, draw a loop, poke in right below this stitch, draw a loop, poke in the next stitch, draw a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, chain one to close. And again, draw a loop through the next stitch, poke in right below the stitch, poke in the next stitch, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all of them. Chain one. And this is what you do until the end of the row. And now for the last stitch, we poke in, draw a loop, and end the row with a single crochet in the same loop like the last pattern stitch leg. Then chain one, turn around, single crochet, for the whole row. At the end of the row, chain 1, turn around, and we are on the pattern row again, which means we start with a single crochet and then do our pattern stitch. Draw a loop through the next stitch, draw a loop right below the stitch, then through the next stitch, 4 loops on your hook, pull through all of them, chain. And this is how you do this single crochet pattern. I hope you liked the tutorial. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.